Hello students, today we will continue our class with a new topic named as notice writing. When we see the topic notice writing, one question arises, what is notice writing? Notice writing is a short piece of writing through which we inform a large number of people about particular event or any type of information which is to be given to people are issued through notice. Now we will see in your book what is there. Have a look here. First of all, we talk about the definition which is given here. A notice is an announcement which is circulated in the written form to give some information to a large group of people. That means a notice is a declaration about certain information to a large number of people. This is notice writing. Now we know about the purpose of writing notice. Why we write notice? A notice is written to give information about. Notice why we write? We have to give information about what? A sport event, a cultural event, a meeting or conference, any death, birth, visit by someone in future inspection, excursion, any project for a social cause to be undertaken and so on. So such type of purposes are there to write notice writing. Now we talk next about the features of notice writing. Before going to this point, I would like to tell whatever we are writing the thing, it has certain manner which is to be followed in a strict manner. If you not follow, there is a step marking also. In order to avoid the cutting of marks, follow the things in a strict manner. Now we proceed. What features are there? A notice is written within a box. Always remember, notice are always written in box. Next, it is usually written in the third person. Remember this. Whatever writing work you are doing, always do in third person. Avoid second and first person. If there is need, then use, otherwise avoid. However, for some notices, the first person we or the second person you may be used. So such notices are also there. You have to use the first person and second person. When need is there, remember, it must be short, precise and relevant to the topic. Whatever the thing you are mentioning in the notice, it must be in a short form, useful. The thing which you are mentioning, it must support the topic on which topic you are talking. It usually has a word limit of 50 words because we have to see the word limit also and care of the interest of the reader. It must be followed. The name and address of the issuing authority is placed at the top, followed by the word notice. name and address of the issuing authority. Issuing authority here means who is issuing the notice. Institution, school, or any office, their name must be at the top of the notice in the very first line. After that, you have to mention the word notice, the date, and the heading. The name and designation of the signatory authority should be placed on the lower left hand corner of the notice. When you finish the notice, you have to mention the name of the writer and his or her post, on which post he is working. If we take the example of a school, principal is issuing the notice, you have to write the word notice after the name of the writer. Where? At the left corner of the notice. Next, the tone of the notice should be objective, formal, and impartial. It must be to the point, and nothing must be left to inform to the person. Now we talk about the format of the notice. Now have a look of the format. These are the features we talked right now. Now we are understanding the features through format, how you have to place the things while writing the notice. In very first line, you have to write the name of the issuing authority. Who is issuing the authority in a capital letter. Next line in mid, you have to write the word notice in capital letter. Then in third line from very starting, you have to mention the date. Next line in middle, you have to writing the heading, or we can say title, on which topic we are talking about the notice. From next line from very starting, you have to write starting the content. After finishing the content, you have to mention at the left side the name of the writer. Below the name of the writer, you have to mention the post, on which post he or she is working. After completing all this formality at their places, you have to put each and everything in a box. So guys, we are finishing our class here with this, and we'll continue our class with new thing. Thank you. Have a nice day.